so focus on the brows. So my last video, I did not include a proper intro, so I learned my lesson, and here is the intro. So I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible, of course, because I know you just want to get to the meat and potatoes, and this is just a side salad. So we're gonna be doing eyebrows. This is the finished result. I hope that everything is in focus and it's clear, and I made sure I lotioned up my hands today, so hope you enjoy. Alright, so first I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hair. This is more important if you have thick brows, but for me it's just really to make sure the hair is in the same direction. Next I'm going to go in with my Revlon Color Stay retractable eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown, and I'm just going to line the bottom and the top of my brows. I always start with the bottom, I don't know why, but it doesn't really matter which one you start with as long as you just calmly line your natural brow and follow your natural arch. Don't worry if the ends are a little bit not snatched, because we will snatch them when we add our concealer later on. But after you've lined the top and the bottom, just fill in your natural brow all the way to the front, but don't get all the way to the front. That makes sense. And then you're just gonna brush to make sure it doesn't look too heavy. You want everything to look very natural. Make sure the hair is all in place and all that good stuff. And as you see, I'm just brushing it to make the front look a little tapered. And this is what it looks like before and after. Next I'm going to go in with my MAC NC50 Studio Concealer. And I'm just going to conceal / correct just the bottom of my eyebrow. I don't do the top. I know some people do, but for me, I just like to use the bottom. I only do the top if it's absolutely necessary. Here's a slowed down version just to give you guys more of a detailed look at how to line the bottom of your eyebrow. You want to get as close to that eyebrow pencil as you can without messing up your brows. And then you're just going to drag and pull and drag, whatever you want to call it, but just get right close to where you put the concealer and just blend everything out. This is really yellow, but you'll see in a little bit that it cleans up very well. By the way, I'm only showing you guys one eye just because the other one was kind of a mess and I didn't think it was necessary. You can use a smaller brush for this part if you want to. I'm using a big brush just because I'm just lazy. This is the finished look. I went ahead and did the rest of my face just because I feel strange when I only have my eyebrows done, but this is what it looks like from both sides. Like I said, I only did the bottom. I didn't conceal the top, but it looks a little highlighted just because, you know, you're snatched. Now that you're done watching this video, go drink some water because you probably haven't had enough today. So feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and share. This is Tondo signing out. Until next time, beautiful world.